Okay, so the new saw is here. I did unbox everything at PM's request just to make sure there was no shipping damage, and everything looks good. It's still sitting on the pallet. That's as far as I'm going to take it until the Powermatic guy gets here, and then we'll do the actual setup and repackage the old saw, getting ready to go back. So I don't think he wants to be on camera, so unfortunately I probably won't get to film much of that, and that's okay. But I will give you an update once everything is up and running. Okay, the new saw is in and set up. The local Powermatic guy just left. We ran a couple of test cuts and everything seems to be as it should. It's dead on square. I'll give him credit for that. But I've got a whole batch of parts back here that I need to put the dado stack in for. And it was the dado stack was in it when the last saw motor gave up. And since I'm making 10 ends on these, so there's 4 in each one. That'll be a pretty good workout for it. The old saw is boxed up here and waiting for the shipping company to show up. So I'm going to go ahead and get these set up and start running parts. Okay, well there you go guys. I think that's gonna kind of wrap it up for this one. I put the data, I probably ran this saw for well over an hour and it just didn't display any of the quirks and tricks that the original saw did. So I'm happy with that. I'll be happier when they come and get the old saw and get that out of the shop. I still don't have any faith in this saw. I think it's just a matter of time before it shows its true colors. But I'll keep you apprised on that. As far as Acme goes, they did send me a note. They were very apologetic, saying it was because I posted multiple times, which, sorry, no. Yes, I posted multiple times my review, but I never updated or I never posted another review until they declined the original view. So I'm just not buying that excuse and still hold to my opinion that they censor their reviews. They said they're going to put the review up. As of now, I still haven't seen it. So I'll still take their reviews with a very large grain of salt. So anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the saw review. This will be my last update. I will update you more if issues arise, or I should say when issues arise, and keep you apprised of those issues. But for now, I just want to get back to some regular woodworking stuff and get back to doing what I do. So until next time, guys, take care.